Good Lord, look at all these packages. It shouldn't take too long to go through. It's a lot of Lego DACTA stuff, I think. There's definitely some interesting stuff in here. It's currently pouring rain outside, but hopefully it's not coming through too much on the mic. While I'm filling up to it, I'm going to get these open and see what we got. One package is from a viewer. It's actually, we worked out a deal, so it's not something that was sent for free. I do have 2 other viewer packages I hope to get to soon, but I think those will each be their own videos. It's drove me crazy that they've been sitting down here and I haven't been able to work down here for many different reasons. But anyways, let's get all this opened up and see what we got. All right, so let's kind of start with the smaller ones, I guess. So this is something I picked up on eBay, and you may have seen this in a YouTube video. It was definitely something that was shared on our Discord. These are Lego ReRailers. And looking at the video, it looks like they work very well. So this is, think back to like your old HO scale trains as a kid. And usually the power pickup piece would have these kind of grooves and cut and everything in there. So if the wheels are derailed, it'll actually kind of pick them up and put them right back on the track. So this should snap right into my Lego track. Yeah, I'll have to test that out and see how it works. But I went ahead and picked up 2. Why not? Yeah, they're a little loose when they snap together, but it's really about the re-railing is what I'm curious about. So that'll be fun to play with. This one, do I remove the staples? What do I do here? Okay, got it open. I didn't want to damage what's inside here because it is a book. Okay, so this is the Lego lighting book. Let me get the invoice out. And I saw this in I almost said recent. I guess it wasn't recent because this has been sitting downstairs for a bit. A video by Jabo, aka Bricksar. You know him, you love him. And it's just all about Lego. I like all these light bulbs. That's cool. It's all about Lego lighting. And I thought it'd be kind of interesting to look through, and I don't know. I just picked it up. Why not? Yeah, there looks to be some pretty sweet stuff in here. Yeah, I like the lighting in there. That's cool. This is a bat cave, apparently. Yeah. Oh man, yeah, I remember these kits. Oh my lord, do I remember these. I had several growing up. I didn't notice this. Look at this. Okay, this is a Lego light brick. And these are 9-volt lamps. I did not notice that. Is that PF bricks? Their FX bricks thing? Or what is it? I don't know. I didn't notice that there were actually some Lego components on there. That is insane. The thing is made out of Lego. Yeah, so yeah, I'll definitely have to check this out. Looks to be some cool stuff. I can put a link below. Really, I'll link Jabo's video because he might have had some kind of a special link. But I think he went a little more in depth with it. I'm just kind of showing it off real quick while I'm opening it up. This one, if I remember correctly, I've taken all the labels off, but I'm pretty sure this is from a viewer. So let's check this out. Expertly packed. It has to be from a viewer. All right, let's get this out of the way. Interesting tape. There we go. Let me get all this out of the way. So yeah, this is I actually showed some instructions in a previous haul video at some point about this set. I'll have to try to get this tape off. But I didn't have the case. I probably had most, if not all, of the pieces. But this was much easier. So this is from the 4.5 volt era. There's your these discs, and these are opto sensors here. We've got some motors, some chain links. So I think you make some like conveyor belts and things like that. So I think that's really cool. It's just one more Lego DACTA set I needed. So I'm still going to be looking for the box, the cardboard box that this would have came in. Maybe not at all. There may have been a few different versions over the years. I did see somebody overseas selling just the cardboard kind of DACTA box. So I'll look into that eventually. But again, this was sent over by Evan K. He reached out to me and we kind of made a deal, and he sent these over. So I'm very happy about that. You can check out his videos. He's got some videos on the 4.5 volt era. Because it was a little before my time, and famously, you know, I do not have an Apple II.
He's not a real fan if he doesn't have an Apple II.
So it is what it is, but yeah, thanks for reaching out, Evan. Just one more thing to add to the Lego DACTA collection. Now we're getting into the packages. I don't even remember what they are. I think this is a Goodwill auction. So there's no telling what that is. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, I forgot about this. Let's get the bag out. Okay, so we've got this kind of ripped bag thing going on here. So like these, I'm not even that worried about. Like, God, man, oh my God, that needs cleaned. I don't know if I feel like doing that. All these stickered pieces, I don't know. Then we got... I mean, these are official Lego. I don't know what they are. It almost looks like the Mach 5 Speed Racer, but it's got number 6 on it, so that can't be right. Is this early Speed Champions or something? I have no clue what this is. But this is why I bought it. I always thought this was a really cool Technic set. And I will be... taking this apart and cleaning it. Let's see if I snap that on and snap this on. It kind of looks complete. Maybe another one by one, and maybe it's in the bag. And then, okay, this is the steering. Okay, they like built it wrong. There's your bevel gear. And the bevel gear needs to go there. But yeah, so it has a steering, and the steering wheel actually turns. That's pretty sweet. You've got kind of gull wing doors. I think that's what it's called, right? And then this lifts up in the back. And then, of course, you've got the engine with the red pistons and red cam pieces. And apparently it has a differential. Yes, it does, right here. That is really cool. I wonder what all the gearing is in here. Wow, that is a lot of gears. Yeah, could just put a chain in there. Well, I guess it has, yeah, it does have suspension. That's an interesting way to do it. So you got all the gears that go up, and then this 90 degree, and then up to there. That's pretty cool. I don't even know if I had these tires, or I might have. I've been trying to buy up some of the odd like tires and things I don't have. That's pretty cool. And then of course we got another one of these that looks really rough. I'd have no clue what I'm gonna do with those, but this is awesome. I'm happy about that. The price of the auction was I think much less than it would have been to try to buy this exact set on like eBay or something. So that's pretty cool. It's from a cool era of, you know, there's still a lot of studded pieces in here, even though you've got like the studded beams here, or studless beams, and you've got the flex tube and everything. That's awesome. Okay, what the heck is this? It's not a box. Some kind of mangled monstrosity. Why is this? What on earth? Okay, give me a minute. Okay, well, I guess the box served its purpose, but yeah, that's not going to get recycled into... I mean, it will get recycled, but, well, as long as they do something with it, the recycling peeps. But, you know, if it's a good box, I actually store a lot of my, like, trains and stuff upstairs with that. So, yeah, there's your, what is it called? The something turtle. It's not the talking turtle. So, yeah, these will go nice with my other instructions. I don't think I had this kind of sleeve for them. So we got a red light, get a little, yeah, I'm not seeing the resemblance. It looks more like a dragster or something. Yeah, and then now they got a dragster, now they got a totally different, whatever these are. I guess this is like when they finish. Okay, so that's like the starting line, and that's the finish when it knocks that up. This opto sensor does something. Maybe it would count the time, you know, between them. We got a conveyor belt looking thing here. Some kind of dangerous fair ride. A washing machine. The turtle. And that's it. So what I'm curious about is I've bought this before. And all the pieces just went everywhere when they shipped it to me. So we're about to find out. I wish the case was a little bit better without all the... I mean, I guess it's just what happens. You know, people write on them with Sharpie or, you know, whatever school, and this goes to this table and stuff. Not bad. Not too bad. I have seen worse. So there's your opto sensor. A lamp. I got lots of these lamps. I've been buying them up. Some very crude, simple minifigures. I don't know what happened to his face. That poor guy. Oh my God. Like I said, I mostly needed the case because I know I had the pieces. These are pretty common. Didn't have that piece. Don't have it now. It's going bye-bye. The bin of shame. So yeah, just, you know, for completeness, for the DACTA stuff, I figured I need to have this. And I got a really good deal on it. I think it was like less than like 50 bucks for the case and shipping and everything. I think I'd have to look, but I wouldn't have picked it up if it wasn't a pretty good deal. And we have our last package, that big old pile of packages, and we're almost done. So let's open this up, see what it is. I haven't been looking. I hope my phone didn't overheat yet. I've had the AC running all day, but I haven't done testing with it turned on while I'm filming. Like it just thundered. I don't know if you heard that. I'm still trying to see how this mic picks up that kind of stuff. So this one, we had some problems in shipping because we've got some parts, loose parts over here. Oh boy. Right. We got a chain, a weight brick, and a motor. This is one I didn't have. I mean, of course, like everything else, I probably have tons of the pieces that would have went in this. But not the set. So this is 9607. I had to look through, you know, I got a label maker, so I've started putting on the sides what set they are, so I could go in the living room pretty quick and just kind of look and say, I don't have this set. So I picked it up. And this is definitely one I remember seeing in the catalogs and stuff. And yep, there's all the pieces there. And a lot of times you'll get one of these that's just white on the back, and then it'll have this, and it can actually go underneath the plastic tray. Makes it very easy to put your pieces up and everything. All right, drum roll please. Yep, I think we got battery corrosion because it shouldn't be this hard to pull apart. Oh yeah, come on. Yep, I can already see it. I'll get to where you can see it. Yep, see all that crud? Not for today. I'll do something with that later. Why there's a metal rod in here, I don't know. It's certainly not on the parts call out there, so we got pieces of cardboard in it and stuff. So yeah, I'll have to go through and kind of get this all set up. This is one of the thin plastic insulated wires, so that's good. It's not a wire that's going to have to be repaired or anything. That'll be fine. Yeah, so I'll just have to go through this and get all the pieces and everything. I hope it's got the metal hook. If not, I do have extras because that's a fairly expensive part. The motors are really pretty cheap these days. The motor weight, or the weight bricks, I imagine, are pretty cheap for black and red. I know the blue ones are expensive, but they were used so much in the DACTA sets. They should be pretty plentiful. Oh yeah, and then we've got some instructions. So this is how you make the motor go. As if you, okay, well yeah, put the batteries in. Don't leave them in there. There's no warning that says do not leave batteries in for 20 years. Don't get it wet. It does say that, and it does say don't connect two battery packs, and don't connect the wire in that arrangement because that would cause a short circuit. But again, they should have a 20 years battery. No, don't do it. When you try to sell it on eBay, somebody's going to be upset. So we got some simple little builds here. I don't know what that's supposed to be. What happened to this? It got crinkled. What happened to this? What on earth? What monster did this? Oh, and it looks weird on the phone. I don't know how that's going to come through for you guys. It is crinkled. I don't know. Oh my lord. That's eBay for you. We got a bunch of builds here. Nothing too spectacular. We got kind of a electric pallet jack thing. That's pretty cool. Whatever that is. Okay, this is like a totally different set. This is 9604. The basic pneumatic set. Well, it's got 2 cylinders. I think that's the more... I don't remember. There's so much of this stuff out there. And why are there 2 books for 3? Oh, it's the same book. Okay. So yeah, I guess they just had some extras and that made its way in there as well. So I'm happy with the purchase. I don't think I paid a whole lot for this. And you know, I looked at the pictures. I kind of knew what I was getting. I always assume this thing's going to be full of battery acid problems. So not a big deal. And again, got our motor there. And these don't lock up. These are usually pretty... Some are really loud, but it's just a motor and a shaft. There's no gearing. There's nothing like that can go wrong inside of these. So they're generally going to be fine. So that's it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Huge shout out to the channel members for helping keep the lights on here and help keep things going. Thanks everyone in Discord for keeping me motivated. And you know, I see the messages in there and it kind of gives me ideas. It makes me want to do Lego things. So that helps a lot. And I'd be glad for anyone watching. Come join us. It's a lot of fun. I try not to just blast it too much. I always put this at the end of the video because it's a small but dedicated and awesome community. I don't want just... I've been in Discords that are just a little over the top or a little whatever. But I am so thrilled with the community we've grown there. And again, thanks to Evan K for reaching out and sending over that DACTA set as well, because that's a pretty hard one to find. Maybe I should have bought that one that was going. It was like new condition. And I think I had the cardboard box and everything, but it was like $200, man. So I didn't jump on that. Anyways, I'm rambling. So hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.